Visualization is a powerful technique for managing stress and promoting relaxation. To use visualization for stress relief, start by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep, slow breaths to center yourself. Begin by imagining a peaceful scene. This could be a tranquil beach, a lush forest, a cozy room, or any place where you feel safe and relaxed. Engage all your senses. Notice the colors, shapes, and light in your scene. Listen for gentle sounds like waves, birdsong, or a soft breeze. Feel the warmth of the sun or the coolness of shade on your skin. Breathe in the fresh air or the scent of flowers. The more vivid and detailed your mental image, the more effective the visualization will be. As you immerse yourself in this calming environment, allow your body to relax with each breath. If stressful thoughts arise, gently acknowledge them and return your focus to your peaceful scene. Remind yourself that you are safe and in control. You can also use guided visualizations, available through apps or recordings, which lead you step by step into relaxation. Practicing visualization regularly, even just for a few minutes each day, can help reduce anxiety, lower your heart rate, and promote a sense of well-being. Over time, you'll find it easier to access this calm state whenever you need relief from stress.